Kruger Energy is developing 2 massive wind farms in Quebec. A $1.6 billion investment. Because these contracts last up to 30 years, our team has to conduct strict operational due diligence on the wind turbine suppliers before we close the deal.
Most of the manufacturing is centralized in China. Travel time between the EMBA modules is a scarce resource, so we need to visit as many critical supplier facilities as possible without wasting days or backtracking.
Manual planning using Google Maps just wasn't cutting it for a multi-city trip. We framed this as a traveling salesperson problem where the objective function is simple. Minimize total travel distance, hit every site exactly once on a weekday, and return to Beijing.
We hit a massive roadblock early on. Our initial standard decision matrix created disconnected loops called subtours. The model became too unstable for Excel Solver to handle reliably.
Team, we've hit a major roadblock on the ground. The full model with Miller-Tucker-Zemlin constraints is completely breaking down in Solver. I need an alternative optimization approach before I miss the next leg. If we stick to manual guessing or a broken model, the logistics cascade will ruin the schedule. We need a cleaner mathematical formulation to salvage the due diligence mission.
We couldn't risk the timeline. Using ChatGPT as a decision support tool, we diagnosed the solver errors and completely pivoted our mathematical approach.
Instead of asking Solver to map every individual leg through a giant binary matrix, we built a compact root order model. We changed the decision variables to test supplier sequences instead. It drastically reduced constraints and made the model run seamlessly.
The model worked beautifully. It spat out the ultimate sequence, starting from Beijing, moving through Goldwind, Fuyang, Shanghai, Qingdao, and Shenyang, before looping right back to the airport.
New itinerary received. The model successfully mapped everything out into a tight, weekday-only schedule. Total distance optimized down to approximately 3,240.7 kilometers. We are back on track.
In a complex global supply chain, static or manual plans fail. This model gives us an objective basis for travel planning that we can replicate for any future trip.
Learning Team 8. Optimization achieved.